What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars, back with another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe the video. Got my E38 740i. I'm about to take it for a spin. I believe I might have to address the coolant system, the cooling system. I think I got a leak somewhere. But I was gonna overhaul it anyway. But with these cars, you know, you definitely have to make sure the cooling system is up to par, especially the thermostat. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this thing for a spin and we're gonna see where we are with it. Just a little quick walk around. Still got to get the radio installed. Haven't done much to it since the last video, but pop the trunk real quick for y'all. Yeah, I got to get the other piece for this panel. Looks like one of the stock CD players was in this area right here. But yeah, something light. So I gotta, since I'm gonna go ahead and overhaul the cooling system anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and just get this El Cheapo coolant stuff, you know, just so I'm not wasting that good BMW coolant. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this thing for a spin. Right back. As you all can see, there is something tripping. It did rain out here a couple of days ago, but that water would have dried up. Can't really make too much of it, but I believe it might be the coolant. Just ride. So I do need to address the engine light, as y'all can see. Get focus. Service engine soon. Light is on, and it was throwing off a code for Vanos. So I'm gonna get that addressed too, but the main thing, to be honest, are the brakes. And I showed you guys in the last video of the brakes set that I got with the slotted and drilled rotors. But I mean, it drives good, pretty nice and tight. But I think I am going to address the suspension as well. You know, do the tie rods, shock struts, all that good stuff, just so it can be a nice cruiser, a nice daily driver as well. But I mean, this thing can get up and go. You know, it really can. It can get up and go. That V8, I mean, I can pretty much stick with any of the newer cars on the interstate as far as merging traffic and all that good stuff. But yeah, that brake fluid light, I think I might have a sensor issue, because it has brake fluid almost to the max. So, but yeah, other than that, I mean, I haven't driven this car in a couple of days, but it can still go. I love driving it. Definitely need my tunes. I definitely need my tunes. once I put on the new set of impars, I'm gonna get an alignment as well. So these impars that I have on this particular car, this car right here, this is going on the other E38, and then the new set that I showed you guys in the previous video, they're going on this car. And again, there's some things I do have to address interior wise. I got to put this panel back on. This one is sliding down. But yeah, it's not going to take much to make this a reliable cruiser. I did buy some trim pieces from BMW. I need to go pick those up at the BMW dealership. Those trim pieces are for the bumper and then also for the windshield. I need to get some clips for the door panels. But as you guys saw in some of the previous videos, the headline has already been done, so I don't have to worry about that. Just little nicks and knacks in the interior. The other E38, I do plan on putting a subwoofer, 2 subs, 2 12s, amplifier. Give it a little, you know, some little beat that I can relax and ride to while I'm just cruising the city or pulling up at car shows or car meets, all that good stuff. But I'm thinking about putting some sounds in this car as well, as far as amplifier and subs. But yeah, definitely the first thing I need to address are these brakes, because it's not too reliable. I'm already smelling the brake pads. But it's all good. But yeah, like I said, this thing drives beautifully. Drives nice. But with these cars, you know, you just got to definitely stay up on the maintenance and do preventative maintenance too. And addressing the cooling system is definitely a big deal for me. That's what I did on my other E38 that I'm pretty much done restoring. You guys will see that on the channel pretty soon. You can actually see some of the updates on E46 life. But yeah, just want to pull up in here real quick. It's a little community center. Just want to make sure I don't have anything going crazy on the car. I kind of want to show you guys what I'm talking about as far as the pedal going all the way down. See, it's going all the way down. Definitely need to get addressed. So I'm not going to be driving this thing too much. Let's see if it's still. Well, first let me check this. You know, just my lights. So I'm not getting any kind of low coolant, but I definitely want to check underneath the hood. Let's see. As you guys can see, it's not smoking or anything. It's just something that's definitely leaking. So this is flowing. Can you see that? It's coming from somewhere. Let's go ahead and shut her down real quick. Yeah, that's a lot. Yep, and I'm pretty sure that is coolant. Definitely time to overhaul the system. It's just dripping. Yep. Well, there you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic cars. E38 problems. I hope they don't start piling up on me. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Yep.